Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Canva's new background generator, a powerful AI tool that creates stunning backgrounds from just a simple prompt. Let's dive in. I've got this great photo of a man holding a green juice, standing on a running field under the bright sun. But what if we took this image to the sky? Sounds crazy? Well, that's where Canva's background generator comes in. Here's how it works. First, we select the image and hit Edit. Under Canva's magic tools, we choose Background Generator. Now it's time for some AI magic. I'll enter this prompt. Generate a high-altitude view of Earth from a plane showing land, water, and scattered clouds for a sense of height and scale. Now we hit Generate and wait just a few seconds. And voila, we get 4 stunning background options, each one looking absolutely breathtaking. This tool is a total game changer for unleashing your creativity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments what Canva tricks you'd love to see next. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.